Today is Minion Game Day, and Kevin, Stuart, and Bob are excitedly preparing to release a giant banana-shaped balloon.
Banana!
Banana balloon! Woohoo! Poo-poo! Pump it again. Teddy loves balloons!
But things with Minions are always full of surprises. Everything seems perfect.
Banana!
Pococa, papoy. Until Stuart accidentally pumps it too hard. Run after it! So the three of them start chasing the balloon in the Minion playground. Boing! Boing!
I'll climb! Uh-oh. Ay-ya-ya!
Poca? Banana.
Bye-bye!
Ta-da! Banana balloon!
Good job, Bob! Yeah!
And so the banana balloon returned. The Minions learned that if we work together, there is always a way to succeed.
Banana! Banana!
Banana cake, let's go!
Yeah!
Banana.
Teddy helped Bob put the bananas in.
Tee-tee papa! I'm stirring. And then the batter. Stuart! Where's the mixer button? Get boop boop. Poca? Hey, Poca? Bello? Poca? Ay-ya-ya, that's not it. Bello? Poca?
Banana! Poca! Papo!
Ta-da! Banana cake! Gru will love this.
Papaya paya!
What are our Minions up to again?
Bello? Oh, thank you, my silly children.
Today, at Gru's lab, the Minions are excitedly preparing for Banana Day. But when the bell rings, the bananas disappear.
Banana? Banana? Where are the banana?
Huh? Popo? I can't find them.
Teddy is sad.
Bye-bye.
Go, 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 go! Banana mission. Yippee! Yaga!
TT, crazy, crazy.
Boca!
It's cold.
Daddy?
Daddy?
Inside the freezer, the basket of bananas is glowing golden because Stuart accidentally left it in while cleaning the kitchen.
Oopsie, papaya?
Ay-ya-ya.
Banana!
Let's share!
Yes! Party!